Hello, Dr. Warren here, and I just want to show you guys real quick how to add a graphic and add a video, and I'm going to show you how to add a banner to your course in Course Sites. So first let's add a graphic, and we'll just add it to Module 1 here. And we go to the item where we want to add that graphic. I'm going to add it to my notes here. And I want to say, so remember that with Course Sites, if you want to edit something, usually if you hover over the title or the heading of it, there is a bubble with a down arrow. I'm going to click that and click Edit. Okay, there I am. All right, and I just want to add a graphic. I'd like to have my graphics and videos over to the right, and then you can read the columns to the left and the graphics are over to the right. And so I'm going to add a graphic right here. I think I'll put it right up here at the top and then move it later. Okay, so all I do, I'm going to make it bigger, is click on the graphic icon. Now if your graphic icon is not showing, it could be because the full toolbar is not showing up. So to reveal and unreveal your toolbar, you click the chevron over here to the far right of your toolbar. If I click it, notice that just the basics show up, okay? And if I click it again, there come all the options for me, including tables and so on. I'm going to click the graphic icon, and it's asking me to browse my computer for the URL, or for the graphic rather. And I think I'm going to add this fun little graphic right here. And it shows me the graphic, and I go ahead and say Insert. Okay. And wow, that's a big graphic. Look how big that is compared to my actual content. So I'm going to shrink that graphic down in the normal way, the way you usually shrink down the graphics. Okay, I like it, but it's kind of in the way of my text. What I can do actually is to right-click it. I right-click it with my mouse and I click on Image, and all these options come up in the image window, including Appearance. So if I click on Appearance, I can add some space between my text and my picture so that the text isn't right up against the picture. I usually add about 10 or 20 pixels, and I can even put a border on it. I'll put a little 1 pixel border on it, okay? All right, for alignment, now this is the trick. I'm going to right align, and you can play with this, but now notice that the text kind of wraps around it. Do you see that? Now if I were to middle align, the text is above and below. If I let's see, if I left align, it wraps around. So I like the right and left align. I'm going to right align. So I'll click Update, and look at that. My picture has a little border. It's got a little space between the text and the picture, and it's here kind of wrapping with my text, which I like a lot. Okay, so it's not interfering with the read. All right, let's add a video. You ready? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add a new video. This is going to be a critical thinking video. Okay, and now I go and find my video. Let's see where that is. Here it is. And I grab the font, I grab the URL of the video. Okay, go back to my Blackboard, and now, let's see here. And now I'm going to highlight the text that I want to, actually, you know what? The text won't show up. I want to just show my video as it is. So I'm just going to insert my video. So here we go. Oops. So I simply click the little icon for video, put in my URL, and in the advanced, again, I can say top, right, bottom, align. I'm going to say right align again and insert. And there's my video. Notice that it's kind of in the way of everything. I can shrink it if I want to, and then I can move it around. So say I want it a little lower so it doesn't get in the way of my graphic. There we go. Notice I'm not seeing the video. You actually have to submit your work before your video shows up. And then, da-da-da, there it is. There's my video. I have a graphic and a video, okay? Now let's go ahead and create a banner, because somebody showed me that the other day and I was really excited about it. The way to create a banner is to go over to your course menu, over to the left, go to the bottom, under Control Panel, go to Customization. You want to go to Teaching Style under Customization. There's all kinds of fun things you can do here under Customization. So you can, including changing your entry point. If you wanted to change your entry point to Welcome to the Class, then when students come into your class, it goes right to that. Okay, and so now it says Select Banner. I'm going to browse my computer and find that banner. Let me go find it. Oh, you're not going to show me, are you? Okay, let's find that banner. Here we go. Let's see if that's the right one. And I say Submit, and the place that it shows up is in your home page. No. Oh, it shows up on your entry point. Isn't that nice? I changed my entry point. Okay, let me show you that. That's kind of cool. All right, look at that banner. Isn't that sweet? Okay, the way that I did that, I changed my entry point to the class. You know how usually when you come into your class, it goes right to the home page? So your banner goes to wherever your entry point is. So if you have a new student and the entry point is home page, then that's where your banner is. But I was fooling around in there and I changed my entry point and it changed where my banner went. So I go back to Customization and Teaching Style, go down, and if I keep on going, let's see, I saw entry point. Where was that? Oh, here. Select course entry point. So I have it now to go to Welcome to the Class as soon as they come in. Rather than that home page, I changed it to Welcome to the Class. Very nice. And then again, once again, down here is Select Banner. I say Browse my computer. I find the image that I want to be my banner and select Submit. So I changed my entry point, I added a banner, and my entry point is now Welcome to the Class, and there's my banner as well. Isn't that great? All right, so hope that was helpful. Thanks, everybody.